How to enable notifications on Uzum Market. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the app. This will open the account and app settings menu. Here, you will see the notifications section. This section shows all notifications regarding order updates, promotions, and app alerts. To receive notifications, make sure the app has permission to send notifications on your device. You can check this by going to your device settings, selecting apps, then choosing Uzum Market from the list. Tap on the app to open the app info page. Here you will see the notification option. Tap on it and you will see all notifications. Toggle this to enable notifications. Once notifications are enabled, you will start receiving real-time updates from Uzum Market, including order confirmation, special offers, and important alerts. Enabling notifications ensures you never miss any updates or promotions from the app. Now you know how to enable notifications on Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.